launch of the book Truth Without Apology by Acharya Prashant Ji. It gives me immense pleasure to have you all here, and we are finally ready to have this as the official book launch. And in doing so, I would like to invite Acharya Ji onto the stage. It'll be another couple moments before we begin.
Truth that doesn't deviate or distract, and truth that only leads you towards light, wisdom, betterment. But to tell you the truth, who in these times likes to be told the truth, the way it is? I would say only a few rare people have the ability and the courage to face truth. We are a society, I'm sorry to say this, we are a society where we take due care and ensure that we never deliver the message straight and clear. हम लोग सीधे बात करेंगे ही नहीं because that's the way we are. And isn't it? I mean, think of it. If we need to call someone a moron, यदि हमें किसी को बेवकूफ भी बोलना है तो हम उसको बेवकूफ नहीं कहेंगे, हम उसे बोलेंगे आप बड़े सरल हो. कोई भी आपको बेवकूफ बना देता है, आप किसी की भी बातों में आ जाते हो. But that's our social setup. That's the times, these are the times that, the types of times that we live in. But one voice starts to walk in the opposite direction. He says, no matter what, I will be the mirror that will show you who you are. Now, is this crazy or is this brave? I would say both. And guess what? In some years, this man becomes the world's most followed spiritual teacher on social media, YouTube, you name it, you have it. I mean, his 88 million followers across social media, they're just a reflection of the kind of impact he's having on our generation and the generation that is to come. Well, it's a proof that there is room for truth in this world, that there are still seekers, that there are still takers for truth. अभी सच की दुकान बंद नहीं हुई है, मोहब्बत की तो खैर शुरू हो चुकी है या होने वाली है, लेकिन सच की दुकान बंद नहीं हुई है. And you, my friends, in this room are a validation of, this truth. Now, come on a Sunday evening, what would most people like to do? Go out and party. But here you are, sitting in this room, and some, I hear, have been waiting for more than 4 hours. Isn't that brilliant? So you can give a round of applause to yourself. And talking about this brilliant book that I have in my hand, it's taken months, it's taken years, and we've been in touch with Acharya Ji's team and Acharya Ji himself. He's been extremely passionately working hours and hours and hours just to give a distillation of his quintessential.
और साथ ही साथ आचार्य का डेली कंटेंट आता है तो इसलिए दो काम मेरी जिंदगी में बड़े बेहतर है और अच्छा हुआ कि आप भी हमारे ग्रुप के एक मेंबर बन चुके हो बस आपको कितना टाइम हो गया एक और शॉट है
21% ऑफ होता है
कोई बात नहीं नेक्स्ट टाइम आई
शिवराम का मैं भी 15 साल
नमस्ते नमस्ते
थैंक यू आचार्य जी थैंक यू स्पोर्ट्स स्थल आइए लगातार 17 बढ़िया चलेगा खूब प्राप्त
थैंक यू सर जी
अरे नहीं सॉरी मेरी ओर से मैं चाहता था और बात करना समय थैंक यू सर आपको थैंक यू सर थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग अजय जी